So trying to get the wipers installed. The owner of the truck's got the other motor, so I can't do them both. But right now, with this motor, the way it's set up, the blade would stop here. So you could see it's got the full sweep of the window, but I don't know if it should stop here, if where I have it, or if I should set it up to where it stops over here. So both of them end up in the middle. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, this way would work. I would just have to trim a little bit off of here and then a little bit right here on this edge so the wiper could come up there, if that makes sense. So trim it here, and then it would sweep this whole window and then end up there. And I don't think, from looking at it, that it looks like it would interfere with the driver, but it's kind of tough. So right now, if I move that motor to the other side of the passenger side, man, it would stop like right there. It'd be at an angle here. Anyways, that's where I'm at. And just so you can see, it does wipe. And with that, later.